In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Microsoft Teams. If you no longer use Microsoft Teams, or you just want to remove it from your computer to free up space and reduce background apps, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open the Start menu on your Windows computer. This is the easiest place to access your system settings and manage installed programs. Once the Start menu is open, click on Settings. After you're inside Settings, look over to the left-hand panel and select Apps. This section is where Windows keeps all the options related to installed software and app management. Once you click Apps, choose Installed Apps. This will open a full list of the programs currently installed on your device. Now you'll need to find Microsoft Teams in that list. If you have a lot of apps installed, scrolling manually can take a little time. So using the search bar at the top of the installed apps page can make this much faster. Just type Microsoft Teams and Windows should filter the list for you. When you see Microsoft Teams appear, go to the right side of its row and click the More Options icon. This is usually shown as 3 dots. Clicking that icon will open a small menu with additional actions you can take for that app. From that menu, select Uninstall. Windows may ask you to confirm your choice, and if it does, go ahead and confirm the uninstall. This tells your computer to remove Microsoft Teams from the system. Depending on your device, the process may take a few seconds to complete. Once that finishes, Microsoft Teams will be uninstalled. That's all you need to do. As a quick tip, if you still notice Teams-related shortcuts or startup behavior afterward, it may help to restart your computer so Windows can fully refresh those changes. But in most cases, following these steps through the installed apps section is enough to remove it successfully, and that's how to uninstall Microsoft Teams.